My name is Jerome Joseph, the brand guy, author of 7 books on branding. The big buzzword today between entrepreneurs, with CEOs, with executives is this thing called personal branding. And I wrote the book on it. The book was called Turn Me On. Now, every time I go and coach and work with different leaders and entrepreneurs, it's always the same problem. Jerome, I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do to build my brand in the marketplace. Well, there are many ways, but I'm going to give you one key strategy. That strategy is learn to demonstrate your brand. Learn to demonstrate your brand and use proof points across your brand. So for example, if you're an entrepreneur for an IT company, that's your brand. Make sure that you as an entrepreneur that you have key proof points. Number 1, how many years have you been in the business? Number 2, the clients that you worked with. Number 3, the technology that you have worked with. Number 4, articles that you have written. Number 5, people that you have met that have endorsed your work. So these are ways that you can show proof points for your personal brand, and you deliver the principle of demonstrating your brand credibility. When you do that, you build trust and you engage with your audiences. So when it comes to personal branding, this is key. There is a formula that takes you through this entire journey to building a brand. Don't wait. Start working on building your personal brand.